Welcome back. Let's do question 222. A quadratic pattern has a constant difference of 2 and T5 is equal to T17 is equal to 29. Determine an expression for the nth term in the form Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Right, even in the previous question we managed to find our a. To find a, we equate the second difference to 2a. So 2a is equal to 2, therefore a is equal to 1. So Tn is equal to n squared plus bn plus c. So when you're saying T5, T17, both of them are equal to 29, what does that mean? So it means, remember, quadratic pattern is parabolic. So it's like this, right? Meaning that we have T5 here, which is term number 5, and then term number 17 there. And then term number 5 and term number 17, both of them are what? They give us what? The value 29. That meaning that the coordinates of this point, 7, 29. And the coordinates of this point is 5, 29. So we want the equation of what? Of this parabola actually. So we can find the axis of symmetry, which is the midpoint of these 2 points, 529 and 729. We can find the equation of the axis of symmetry, okay, which is the midpoint of these 2 points. Let me say this point is A, and then this point is B. So it's the midpoint of what? Of point AB there. So we can say axis of symmetry is equal to 5 plus 17 divided by 2 using the midpoint formula. And then we're using the x coordinates. This is 17, not 7. 17, not 7. Okay, so we're using 17 and 5. See that? So 5 plus 17 divided by 2. So the axis of symmetry is equal to 11. So now we can use our equation in the form Tn is equal to A n minus p squared plus q. Remember from our equation, y is equal to a, then x minus p squared plus q. Remember that just the same thing. So let's substitute what we have. Let's just substitute 1 point. We can use this 2917, this point 2917. Okay, so it's going to be 29 here, which is equal to, our a is 1, isn't it? We got our a here, that is 1. And then x is equal to 11 here. So it means it should be minus 11. Remember, if it's 11 on the graph, it must be negative on the equation. So it's minus 11, then squared, and then plus q. You're using n here, not x. 29 is term number 17, so the n there is 17. So it becomes 29 is equal to 17 minus 11 is 6 squared plus q. So it's 29 is equal to 36 plus q. Then we subtract 36 from both sides of the equation. Negative 7 is equal to q. Therefore, Tn is equal to, our a is 1, so it's going to be n minus 11 squared minus 7. Right, then we can expand this. Tn is equal to, right, we expand this square binomial, so it's n squared, square the n, maintain the sign, and then say 2 times n times 11, which is 22n. And then this one is always positive, and then 11 squared is 121 minus 7. Right, you can do it the long way. You can say n minus 11 times n minus 11, then n times n squared, n times negative 11 n, negative 11 times n, negative 11n, then negative 11 times negative 11 plus 121. Then you get your n squared minus 22n plus 121, which is this part here. And then let's simplify that. Tn is equal to n squared plus 114. That's the general term there. The other way of doing this, we are going to create two equations. we have T5 is equal to 29, and also we have T17 is equal to 29. So we're going to create equation using these two pieces of information. Let's start with T5 is equal to 29. So we know that our A is equal to 1, isn't it? So it's going to be 29 is equal to 5 squared. Our A is 1. We got our A, and then plus B times what? Times 5, or 5 times B plus C. And then 29 is equal to 25 plus 5B plus C. And then 29 minus 25 is 4 is equal to 5B plus C. So we can name this one equation 1. And then let's create equation 2. T17 is equal to 29 also. So we create equation 2. So T17 is equal to 29. So we say 29 is equal to 17 squared, because n is equal to 1. So we don't put anything there. And then plus 17b plus c. Just say 29 minus 17 squared is equal to 17b plus c. Then we must get negative 260 is equal to 17b plus c. Let's name this one equation 2. Okay, so we have equation 1 and equation 2. Let's create equation 3 from equation 1. Let's make C the subject. So C is equal to what? We transpose 5b is 4 minus 5b. That's equation 3. And then we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Where there's C, we put 4 minus 5b. It's going to be negative 260 is equal to 17b plus 4 minus 5b. And then what we have? Negative 260 is equal to 17b plus 4 minus 5b. Right, what is 17b minus 5b? And then we transpose this one, comes this side, becomes negative 264 is equal to 17b minus 5b, that is 12b. Then divide by 12 on both sides of the equation. We get that negative 22 is equal to b. And then we can get our c here from equation 3. Now we have our b, so c is equal to 4 minus 5 times negative 22. Because b is negative 22, then get that c is equal to 114. So if you check, we have our c, we have our b, and then we have our a. A is equal to 1. We got it from the second difference. 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. Therefore, Tn is equal to n squared. B is negative 22 minus 22 n, and then C is positive 114 plus 114. We're getting the same answer.